Who is that?
Yo, yo, yo.
Oh,
the deal maker, baby.
What's good? What's up, my guy?
What's up, my dude?
Woo. All right, today's a good day because I got my buddy here, Alex
What up, my
Camacho.
deal makers?
We're gonna go check out his flip, but first I wanted to show him my flip here in Hawaii Kai. So we're gonna check it out and walk around, and we'll see what he thinks. So this is how everything looks so far. Pretty sick. What up, yo? What's up?
Yeah, so waterfront flip, man. This is cool.
How's it, Uncle? How's it, Uncle? I never get tired of this view.
I talked to Brian DeVille about it because we were kind of chatting about some stuff, and he put me in contact with his guy Bo, and we've been talking and sent him over my information and kind of talked to him about the deal. And he says his fund and the people that he works with would give me like 85% leverage on it and be able to close it through.
All right, here it is. Usually I make a more professional video, but figured we'll do this vlog style today because I got my homie Alex with me. But yeah, while he's on the phone, I'm gonna show you guys the progress so far. But yeah, it's looking really nice. The floors are in, really sick. The AC, HVAC is all done. Sliding doors are in. We're just waiting for these sliding doors. They're taking forever to come in. But that's gonna be a sliding door. This is a window, but we're gonna cut it and it's gonna turn into a sliding door too. That way, when you see the view over here of the ocean, you get a better view of everything. Nice, all the lights are in. Here is the laundry room and pantry. Junior suite over here. Master bath. Wow. That's sick. Dude, over there, that used to be a freaking hole in the freaking ceiling.
What's that?
Nuts. Like right there, used to be like a hole in the freaking ceiling, and we had to like chop it off, redesign it, and then now this is how it looks. And here's the master bedroom. And maybe in like 2 weeks, they're gonna start building the deck over here, chop this down, make a nice deck, railings, and a jacuzzi in the corner over there. It's gonna be sick. Just in time. Cabs are here. Cabs are here. Cabs are here. Hey, we also got my GC over here doing a killer job. What's up, John? What's up, man? All right, guys, we are here with Alex right in front of his flip. Ooh.
Well, I might be keeping this one. It's on the water, so
Oh, shit.
we might keep this one.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, it's like right on the water. Wow. Great location. But yeah, let's go check it out.
This is it, bro. So,
Wow, dude.
you throw it in that pool.
Shit, that's a deep pool. Dang. Wow. Oh, look at this. Holy crap. Oh, nice jacuzzi. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Wow, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah. Hello, hello.
Any squatters?
Whew.
Damn. What happened?
Yeah. You want to be an investor? Well, this is being an investor. No, they open up the windows up again at night.
Who's they?
Squatters. Yeah.
Shit.
So you see, they pour down these walls and
Oh, wow.
use them as firewood and drink.
At least they helped you demo, right?
Yeah, you gotta look at the bright side, right?
Damn. Wow. Crazy. AC.
But you walk through that room. Want to see?
Right, dude, look at that right there. You see that? Oh, yikes. Big yikes.
Fucking serious, bro.
Oh, shit. So, how'd you find the deal?
So, found the deal from another investor in Southern California.
Okay.
We've been networking for a couple of years, and since he doesn't have the connections and resources in Hawaii, he decided to wholesale us a deal.
Nice.
So, yeah, it's networking, I guess.
Nice, dude. Good find. Oh, man. Oh, jeez.
You gotta be careful with me.
Wow.
See, this wasn't open yesterday or the other day. So.
Damn. Holy crap. Shit. Wow. Trashed. Shit. Wow.
So let me get I guess, a little content myself.
Yeah.
So,
Damn, dude, this is nuts. So what are the numbers like?
so the acquisition cost was $447,000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, man. So couldn't pass up opportunity to buy a house here on Oahu in Hawaii
Yeah.
for on the beach, on the water, for under $500,000. So yeah, we're gonna put in about $150,000 into the property.
Damn.
We're hoping. You know how Hawaii is. It
Yeah,
usually
man.
goes over budget, so we'll see. And the projected value of the property should be north of I'd say $750,000, $800,000.
Nice, yeah. Nice.
But like I said, we're trying to keep the property if we can. Fortunately, we have enough projects going on where we could turn this into a long-term rental.
Nice.
Just kind of hope on appreciation. Yeah.
Yep. Oh, definitely. Thanks, man.
Yeah, you got it.
Alright, it's great meeting you, Alex.
Yeah.
I'm just
Josiah, thank you.
Jeremy.
Yeah. All right, so let me just get some more video.
Cool. What's up, guys? Just wanted to jump on real quick. So that is Alex Camacho's new project on Oahu. It's a really great find. You know, he's got super good plans for it. He's going to bring back that property back to life. As you can see, super dilapidated. Just like no one's going to buy that. I don't think anyone could ever get a loan to buy that. It's not livable at all. So he's going to take it upon himself to bring it back to life, make it really nice, put a nice, local family in there and rent it out and give someone a nice home right by the beach. Awesome location. If you guys didn't know, Alex is the person who got me into flipping. When I first started and I wanted to get into flipping, I originally was gonna flip homes in like Las Vegas or the East Coast because it was super expensive. But he was the one that gave me advice saying, hey, don't worry about the money. Worry about finding a good deal. Because if you find a good deal, then the money will come. And ever since he told me that advice, I took it to heart and I took action. Then I started looking for deals. I found my first deal, and sure enough, what he said, the money did come. I found hard money lenders, I got my friends, and well, the rest is history. So, Alex Camacho, I have so much respect for him. He's one of, the OGs to me. And if it wasn't for him, I don't think I would have been starting to flip houses in Hawaii. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoy these, small mini vlogs. They're not scripted, just me shooting from my iPhone. So if you guys like these kinds of videos, drop it in the comments and I'll start posting more videos like this. All right, later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.